Nagaraj Achar, sir. Secretary of Universal Education Society, Joint Secretary, Gayatri Education Society, and CEO of Anupama Group of Institution. I request our dignitary to come on the dais and to be seated, reserved for them. Nahi gnanena sadrisham, pavitramiha vidyate. Means, in this world, there is nothing so sublime and pure as transcendental knowledge. Respected dignitaries on the dais, staff members, parents, and my dear students, a very good afternoon to one and all present over here. I'm Mary. Take the opportunity to welcome all distinguished guests on this special occasion of annual prize distribution ceremony of Anupama English School for the academic year 2024-25. It's an honor and privilege to welcome Sri Yogesh Nagaraj Achar, sir, Secretary of Universal Education Society, Joint Secretary, Gayatri Education Society, and CEO of Anupama Group of Institution. We extend our hearty welcome to you, sir. I would like to extend my hearty welcome to our ever energetic headmistress, Mrs. Veena Ma'am, who always inspires us to aim high and achieve our best. A hearty welcome you, ma'am. Welcome to all the teaching and non-teaching staff who have been constant working to ensure a smooth run of this occasion. I welcome all the teachers and non-teaching staff. A warm welcome to distinguished parents and guardians. Your presence would truly make the event more memorable. We welcome you all. Dear students, your cuteness, frankness, and uniqueness are the treasure of this institution, and you are the center of today's event. I welcome you all to this occasion. Once again, a hearty welcome to you all. Now, I hand over the mic to Shubha ma'am to proceed with the prize announcements.
Thank you, ma'am. Good afternoon to the dignitaries on the dais, parents, and my dear children. I am here to announce the prize winners of different competitions. We have conducted different competitions like dancing, drawing, dancing, singing, pond decoration, fancy dress, etc. I request Yogesh sir to give away the prizes to the winners. We'll start with our pre-KG kids. Pratyusha, first prize in dancing competition. Pratyusha, first prize in dancing competition. Vedant S, third prize in singing competition. Vedant S, third prize in singing competition. Maulya got fourth prize in fancy dress of Krishna Janmashtami. Maulya, fourth prize in fancy dress Krishna Janmashtami. Adya got second prize in singing and third prize in Krishna Janmashtami fancy dress. Adya, second prize in singing and third prize in Krishna Janmashtami fancy dress. Nakshatra, first prize in ethnic wear and second prize in Krishna Janmashtami. Nakshatra, first prize in ethnic wear and second prize in Krishna Janmashtami. Dhanvit, first prize in fancy dress and third prize in dancing. Dhanvit, first prize in fancy dress and third prize in dancing. Shirisha P. Raj, second prize in ethnic wear and first prize in singing. Shirisha P. Raj, second prize in ethnic wear and first prize in singing. Shirisha P. Raj, second prize in ethnic wear and first prize in singing. Utkarsh, third prize in ethnic wear and second prize in dancing. Utkarsh, third prize in ethnic wear and second prize in dancing. We'll move on to LKG children. Charvi, second prize in singing. Utkarsh, third prize in ethnic wear and second prize in dancing. Charvi, second prize in singing. Charvi, second prize in singing. Sai Durga, third prize in dancing. Sai Durga, third prize in dancing. Gahan, fourth prize in Krishna Janmashtami fancy dress. Gahan, fourth prize in Krishna Janmashtami fancy dress. Nainika, second prize in ethnic wear. Nainika, second prize in ethnic wear. Satya Sai Shri, third prize in fancy dress, Krishna Janmashtami. Satya Sai Shri, third prize in fancy dress, Krishna Janmashtami. Pradyun, third prize in catch the ball and first prize in fancy dress. Pradyun, third prize in catch the ball and first prize in fancy dress. Varshini, third prize in ethnic wear and third prize in dancing. Varshini, third prize in ethnic wear and third prize in dancing. Jashmita, first prize in ethnic wear, second prize in fancy dress, first prize in dancing, third prize in singing. Dear parents, please give them a round of applause. Jashmita, first prize in ethnic wear, second prize in fancy dress, first prize in dancing, third prize in singing. Pradhanvi, first prize in fancy dress, second prize in dancing, third prize in singing. Pradhanvi, first prize in fancy dress, second prize in dancing, third prize in singing. Dear parents, please encourage them with your claps. Rishika, first prize in singing, fourth prize in fancy dress. Rishika, first prize in singing and fourth prize in fancy dress. Next, we'll move on to UKG children. Gunavanta, first prize in fireless cooking. Gunavanta, fourth prize in fireless cooking. Gunavanta, fourth prize in fireless cooking. Tejasvi, third prize in fireless cooking. Tejasvi, third prize in fireless cooking. Karunya Shri, second prize in memory test. Karunya Shri, second prize in memory test. Vishnu Priya, first prize in memory test. Vishnu Priya, first prize in memory test.
Jashwin, fourth prize in storytelling. Jashwin, fourth prize in storytelling. Akshita, third prize in storytelling. Akshita, third prize in storytelling. Guru Nandan, first prize in storytelling. Guru Nandan, first prize in storytelling. Aryan Reddy, second prize in storytelling. Aryan Reddy, second prize in storytelling. Mishant, third prize in ethnic wear. Mishant, third prize in ethnic wear. Sharvi Shetty, first prize in catch the ball. Sharvi Shetty, first prize in catch the ball. Rutvik, fourth prize in fireless cooking and third prize in memory test. Rutvik, fourth prize in fireless cooking and third prize in memory test. Lake Shah, first prize in ethnic wear, second prize in fireless cooking, third prize in storytelling. Lake Shah, first prize in ethnic wear, second prize in fireless cooking, third prize in storytelling. Ume Aswa, second prize in catch the ball, second prize in ethnic wear, first prize in fireless cooking. Ume Aswa, second prize in catch the ball, second prize in ethnic wear, and first prize in fireless cooking. Now we are going to first standard children. Sanjit, fourth prize in drawing. Sanjit, fourth prize in drawing. Dakshit, third prize in fashion show. Dakshit, third prize in fashion show. Namana, first prize in drawing. Namana, first prize in drawing. Vishwat, fourth prize in fancy dress. Vishwat, fourth prize in fancy dress. Ananya, second prize in singing. Ananya, second prize in singing. Nuved, third prize in singing. Nuved, third prize in singing. Manikya, second prize in dancing. Manikya, second prize in dancing. Vihan, first prize in drawing.
I would like to extend. With immense pleasure, I would like to welcome Mrs. Gargi Chaudhary, ma'am, Principal of New Cambridge International Public School. A warm welcome, you, ma'am.
Harshan Gowda, third prize in English recitation. Harshan Gowda, third prize in English recitation. Joshika, third prize in drawing, second prize in fancy dress. Joshika, third prize in drawing and second prize in fancy dress. Kirtika, third prize in dancing and third prize in drawing. Kirtika, third prize in dancing and third prize in drawing. Darshan, second prize in drawing, first prize in singing, third prize in drawing. Darshan, second prize in drawing, first prize in singing, third prize in drawing. Akshaya, second prize in drawing, first prize in Ganesha idol making. Akshaya, second prize in drawing and first prize in Ganesha idol making. Chinmayi, second prize in Kannada recitation, first prize in dancing. Chinmayi, second prize in Kannada recitation and first prize in dancing. Kaushik, first prize in fancy dress and third prize in Hindi recitation. Kaushik, first prize in fancy dress and third prize in Hindi recitation. We'll move on to second standard. Pavanita, second prize in Hindi recitation. Pavanita, second prize in Hindi recitation. Kranti, first prize in singing. Kranti, first prize in singing. Amulya, second prize in singing. Amulya, second prize in singing. Varshini, first prize in dancing. Varshini, first prize in dancing. Maulika, second prize in dancing. Maulika, second prize in dancing. Prithvi Gowda, first prize in fancy dress. Prithvi Gowda, first prize in fancy dress. Sannidhi, third prize in dancing. Sannidhi, third prize in dancing. Nidhi, third prize in fancy dress. Nidhi, third prize in fancy dress. Hanvit, fourth prize in drawing. Hanvit, fourth prize in dancing. Shubhashri, third prize in drawing, first prize in English recitation, fourth prize in drawing. Shubhashri, third prize in drawing, first prize in English recitation, and fourth prize in drawing. Aditya, third prize in drawing, second prize in Ganesha idol making. Aditya, third prize in drawing, second prize in Ganesha idol making. Akshay L, first prize in drawing and first prize in drawing Environment Day and Sankranti drawing. Akshay, first prize in drawing. Priyanka Raj, second prize in drawing, third prize in singing, second prize in fancy dress. Priyanka Raj, second prize in drawing, third prize in singing, second prize in fancy dress. Sanvi, second prize in drawing, second prize in English recitation. Sanvi, second prize in drawing, second prize in English recitation. Third standard, be ready children. Anant Velu, second prize in Hindi recitation. Anant Vel, second prize in Hindi recitation. Nitin, third prize in drawing. Nitin, third prize in drawing. Ritvik, third prize in Kannada recitation. Ritvik, third prize in Kannada recitation. Tejaswini, second prize in drawing. Tejaswini, second prize in drawing. Navya Shri, second prize in singing. Navya Shri, second prize in singing. Sahitya, third prize in singing. Sahitya, third prize in singing. Shashwin, fourth prize in pot decorating. Shashwin, fourth prize in pot decorating. Kushal, third prize in pot decorating. Kushal, third prize in pot decorating. Girivasan, first prize in pot decorating. Girivasan, first prize in pot decorating. Vaishanvi, first prize in dancing, third prize in drawing, third prize in doll making. Vaishanvi, first prize in dancing, third prize in drawing, and again third prize in doll making. Nisarga, second prize in English recitation, first prize in drawing, and first prize in singing. Nisarga, second prize in English recitation, first prize in drawing, and first prize in singing. Samiksha, second prize in Kannada recitation, second prize in dancing. Samiksha, second prize in Kannada recitation, second prize in dancing. Harshika, third prize in dancing, second prize in Kannada recitation, second prize in pot decorating. Harshika, third prize in dancing, second prize in Kannada recitation, and second prize in pot decorating. Shamant, third prize in English recitation, third prize in drawing. Shamant, third prize in English recitation, and third prize in drawing. Fourth standard, be ready children. Digant, third prize in English recitation. Digant, third prize in English recitation. Rishi, fourth prize in Ganesha idol making. Rishi, fourth prize in Ganesha idol making. Trisha, second prize in drawing. Trisha, second prize in drawing. Deeksha, first prize in singing. Deeksha, first prize in singing. Deeksha, first prize in singing. Arush, first prize in dancing. Arush, first prize in dancing. Rachana, second prize in dancing. Rachana, second prize in dancing. Priyadarshini, fourth prize in pot decorating. Priyadarshini, fourth prize in pot decorating. Ayush, third prize in pot decorating. Ayush, third prize in pot decorating. Navanita, second prize in pot decorating. Navanita, second prize in pot decorating. Kalyan Kumar, first prize in pot decorating. Kalyan Kumar, first prize in pot decorating. Preetham, third prize in Kannada recitation. Preetham, third prize in Kannada recitation. Khushi Priya, third prize in dancing, first prize in drawing, first prize in English recitation. Khushi Priya, third prize in dancing, first prize in drawing, first prize in English recitation. Akshay, third prize in singing, first prize in Hindi recitation. Akshay, third prize in singing, first prize in Hindi recitation. Chandana, first prize in Kannada recitation, second prize in singing, third prize in drawing. First prize in Kannada recitation, second prize in singing, third prize in drawing. Adya, first prize in Hindi recitation, third prize in drawing. Adya, first prize in Hindi recitation and third prize in drawing. Now, I would like to announce the best performer best attendance, and 100% attendance best activity of the academic year 24-25. Let us start with the pre-KG best performer Pranati P. Pranati P, best performer. Dear parents, please encourage them with your claps. Best performer of pre-KG, Pranati P. Best improved student, Christian GM. Best performer, Pranati P of class pre-KG. Improved student, Drushan GM. Attendance, Maulia JH. 100% attendance, Maulia JH. Best activity maker, Vihant S. Best activity maker, Vihant S. Now for the class LKG. Class LKG, best performer, Jashmita Diaz. Best performer of class LKG, Jashmita DS. Jashmita. Improved student, Shrihan Singhal. Improved student, Shrihan Singhal. 100% attendance, ma'am Shrihan. Improved student Shrihan. Improved student Shrihan. Attendance Sai Durga. 100% attendance of class LKG Sai Durga. Attendance of class LKG Sai Durga. And best activity maker Satvik. Best activity maker Satvik. We'll move on to UKG. Best performer of class UKG, Leksha NM. Best performer of class UKG, Leksha. Improved student of UKG, Sanvi. Improved student of UKG, Sanvi. 100% attendance of UKG goes to Guru Nandan. 100% attendance of UKG, Guru Nandan. Best activity maker of UKG, Mishant. Best activity maker of UKG, Mishant. We'll move on to first standard. Dushant of pre-KG, best improved student. Dear parents, please encourage them with your claps. It's your children only. Now we'll move on to first standard. Best performer Ananya of first standard. Improved student Vihan. Improved student Vihan.
Now, higher primary and high school prize distribution. In the month of June, we have celebrated Environment Day and conducted the competition. For speech, Manya Yadav of class 10 won first prize. And also, chart work, she secured the first prize. And in dance, got second prize. Please give her a big round of an applause. Manya Yadav of class 10th. She got first prize in speech and first prize in chart work, and in dance she got second prize. Next, Likit S of class 9 won second prize. Arshita Har of class 8 obtained third prize for speech. Arshita R. Next, Sharan of class 10 got consolation prize for speech. Next, Shibam Sahu of class 9 got second prize. Next, Sanjay V. Next, Sanjay V. Patil of class 8 got third prize. And won first prize in stand-up comedy. Next, Salman, Devika and Siddhit won first prize in quiz competition. Salman, Devika and Siddhit won first prize. Sanjay V. Patil of class 8, he got third prize in chart work and got first prize in stand-up comedy and got first prize in best out of best. Next, Salman, Devika and Siddhit won first prize in quiz competition. Quiz competition has conducted in the house-wise. So, Dhavalagiri team has won first prize. Next, Vindhyagiri team, Dhruti, Manyata and Laksheshri got second prize. Dhruti, Manyata and Laksheshri got second prize. Laksheshri, she got third prize in singing. Laksheshri, she got third prize in singing. Subiksha of class 10 secured first prize in singing. Subiksha of class 10 secured first prize. Next, Hirtika of class 10 secured second prize. Hirtika of class 10 secured second prize in singing. Next, Chinmayi of class 10 won first prize in dance competition. Chinmayi of class 10 won first prize in dance competition. Next, Arvita of class 7 got third prize in dance competition. Also in Bharatanatyam won first prize. Anvita, she got third prize in dance competition. Also in Bharatanatyam won first prize. Next, Hanika of class 5th got third prize in dance competition. Next, Nayana MR of class 9 won second prize. Nayana MR of class 9 won second prize. Bhumika of class 9th secured third prize. Bhumika of class 9th secured third prize. Next, best out of waste. A student participated and won competition. The Pavan S of class 10th won second prize. Pavan S. Pavan S of class 10th won second prize. Also got consolation prize in Ganesha idol making. Pavan S won second prize. Also got consolation prize in Ganesha idol making. Next, Jai Surya of class 8 got third prize. Jai Surya of class 8 got third prize. Next, Prithvishri of class 8 won third prize. Prithvishri. Prithvishri of class 8 won third prize. Next, Vaibhav of class 8 secured third prize. Vaibhav of class 7th secured third prize. Next, Ritin A of class 5th won third prize in best out of waste. Ritin A of class 5th won third prize. Next, in doll making, Varshini L of class 9th won first prize. Varshini L of class 9th won first prize. Also in Ganesha idol making, won first prize. Varshini secured first prize. Next, Shivani of class 8 obtained second prize. Shivani of class 8 obtained second prize. Next, Arshita Jha of class 8 secured third prize. Harshita Jha of class 8 secured third prize. Also in Ganesha idol making, won second prize. Next, Lasya of class 8 won third prize. Lasya of class 8 won third prize. Next, Prajwal Ji of class 6 secured third prize. Also got second prize in drawing competition. Prajwal Ji secured third prize in doll making and got second prize in drawing competition. Next, greeting card making. Irfan of class 5th won first prize. So, Irfan of class 5th won first prize. Sahana of class 5th got second prize and also got drawing at the third prize. Sahana of class 5th got second prize in greeting card making. Salman of class 5th got third prize. Salman of class 5th got third prize. Next, Aryan Ajay of class 6th won first prize. Next, Tanushri of class 6th got second prize. Tanushri of class 6 got second prize. Prajwal N of class 6 secured third prize. Prajwal N of class 6 secured third prize. Pavani Nayak of class 7th won first prize. Jeevan S of class 7 secured second prize. Mohit Kumar of class 7 got third prize. Also in drawing, he secured second prize. A Vice Chairman Srimati Shweta Yogesh ma'am has arrived. I request our dignitaries to come on the dais to be seated. It's my immense pleasure to welcome Srimati Shweta Yogesh ma'am, Vice Chairman of Anupama Group of Institution, who had highlighted the directions for taking the institutions to greater heights and always been a constant support and a great source of encouragement. We heartily welcome you, ma'am. Jeevan S of class 7 secured second prize. Jeevan S of class 7 secured second prize. Mohit Kumar of class 7 got third prize. Also in drawing, he secured second prize. Next in drawing competition, Tanvi of class 5th won first prize. Tanvi of class 5th won first prize. Sanvi of class 5th got second prize. Ananya of class 5th secured third prize. Sanvi of class 5th got second prize. Ananya of class 5th secured third prize. Ananya of class 5th secured third prize. Madhumita of class 6 won first prize. In drawing competition, Madhumita of class 6 won first prize. Shreya of class 6 secured third prize. Shreya of class 6 secured third prize. Jeevan D of class 7 won first prize. Next, Jeevit of class 7 got third prize. Jeevit of class 7 got third prize. Next, Pratibha Karanji, cluster level inter-school competition 2024-25 for drawing category. Pawan S of class 10 won second prize. Inter-school competition in cluster level, Pawan S of class 10th won second prize. Next, Pratibha Karanchi cluster level inter-school competition 2024-25 for Sanskrit recitation. Hashita Jha of class 8 obtained second prize. Hashita Jha. Harshita Jha of class 8 obtained second prize. I would like to welcome Srimati Jayashree Ma'am, Academic Director of New Cambridge International Public School, A warm welcome, you ma'am. Next, Pratibha Karanji cluster level inter-school competition for Ghazal, Mohammad Rihan S. Khan secured third prize. Mohammad Rihan S. Khan secured third prize. Next, cluster level inter-school competition for Sanskrit recitation, Siddhit M. of class 7th secured second prize. Siddhit M. of class 7 secured second prize. Science exhibition in the stream of engineering was conducted by Block Education Office Taluk level North Division. Rohit of class 9 participated and won third prize, and he got selected for the district level competition. Rohit of class 9. Dear audience, give him a big round of applause. Next, Indian National Karate 2024-25 Junior Inter-School Championship. Manyata of class 6 won third prize. Indian National Karate 2024-25 Manyata of class 6th won third prize. Next, board examination of 5th, 8th and 9th class toppers of the academic year 2023-24. From 5th standard, Mohammad Bilal, first place. Mohammad Bilal, first place. Aryan Ajay. Aryan Ajay, second place. Madhumita, third place. Aryan Ajay, second place. Madhumita, third place. Next, 8th standard, previous year's toppers. Chandan S, first place. Chandan S, first place. Tanushri T, second place. Likit S, third place. Tanushri T, second place. Yes, third place. Next, 9th standard, previous class toppers. Sushmita U. Chanagon, first place. Sushmita U. Chanagon, first place. Aditi Gowda, second place. Aditi Gowda. Manya Yadav, third place. Manya Yadav, third place. Next. Next, best performer, best improved, and attendance and best activity. From class 5th standard, best student of the year 2024-25, Lakshya Shri, from class 5th. Thank you, sir. I request our Honorable Vice Chairman Srimati Shweta Yogesh Ma'am to distribute the prizes to the winners. Sixth standard, best performer, Prajwal Ji. Best performer, Prajwal Ji. Improved student, Revana Sidhu. Improved student, Revana Sidhu. 100% attendance, Aryan Ajay and Madhumita. 100% attendance, Aryan Ajay, Madhumita. Next, best activity, Arihant Yadav. Best activity, Arihant Yadav. Next, class 7, Best performer, Dhruti S, 7th standard. Best activity, Arihant Yadav. Next from class 7. Best student of the year 2024-25 goes to Dhruti S. Next, improved student Jeevan S. %100% attendance Jhanavi. 100% attendance Jhanavi. Next, best activity Anusha. Best activity Anusha. Next, class 8 standard. Best student of the year 2024-25 goes to Bushra Kausar. Best student Bushra Kausar. Next, improved student Prithvi VK. Improved student Prithvi VK. Next, 100% attendance Pujashri. 100% attendance Pujashri. Next, best activity Vikant B. Best activity Vikant B. Next, class 9th. Best student of the year 2024-25 goes to Nayana MR. Please audience, give her a big round of an applause. Best student of the year, Nayana MR. Next, improved student, Jaishik. Improved student, Jaishik. 100% attendance, Jeevan S. 100% attendance, Jeevan S. Jeevan S of class 9. Next, best activity, Netravati. Best activity, Netravati. Next, class 10, best student of the year, Sushmita U. Chanagon. Best student of the year 2024-25 goes to Sushmita U. Dear audience, give her a big round of applause. And next, improved student, Rohit. Next, 100% attendance, Kritika Y. Next, 100% attendance, Kritika Y. Best activity, Pavan S. Best activity, Pavan S. Next, 5th standard, best student of the year, Lakshashri N. Next, improved student, Jashwant RN. Next, 100% attendance, Saujanya Patil. 100% attendance, Saujanya Patil. Best activity, Neha D. Jogi. Next. Please have it. Make arrange.
Now I'm going to announce the best children of the year 24-25 from the first standard. Best performer, Ananya of first standard. Ananya, best performer. Improved student, Vihan. Best improved student, Vihan. %% attendance, Nuved. 100% attendance, Nuved. Best activity goes to Darshan. Best activity of a standard goes to Darshan. We'll move on to second standard. Best performer goes to Chirag. Best performer, Chirag. Improved student, Preetham Nayak. Improved student, Preetham Nayak. 100% attendance, Sannidhi and Priyanka. 100% attendance, Sannidhi and Priyanka. Best activity goes to Shubhashri. Best activity, Shubhashri. We'll move on to third standard. Best performer of third standard goes to Samiksha. Best performer, Samiksha. Improved student, Lekhana. Improved student, Lekhana. 100% attendance. 4 children are sharing. Neerav, Lohit, Nisarga and Punyapriya. Neerav, Lohit, Nisarga and Punyapriya. Best activity goes to Shantanu. Best activity of third standard, Shantanu. We'll move on to fourth standard. Best performer, Aditi. Best performer of fourth standard, Aditi. Improved student, Tejasvi. Improved student, Tejasvi. 100% attendance, 2 children are sharing, Digant and Pranati. 100% attendance goes to 2 children, Digant and Pranati. Best activity goes to Rachana. Best activity, Rachana.
Next, Sharan of class 10 got consolation prize for speech. Sharan of class 10 got consolation prize for speech. Next, Nikit Yes of class 9 won second prize. Nikit S of class 9 won second prize. Next, Shubham Saho of class 9 won second prize. Now, parents' prize distribution. I request parents, those who are going to receive the prizes, kindly come forward. Prize receiving parents, kindly come forward. Father's love is very unique, not so much expressive, yet a guiding light in all our thoughts and actions. He is the first hero of every child. We have celebrated Father's Day and conducted the competition. Sharad Kumar Shetty sir, Nayas Pasha sir, Pradeep sir, UKG parents, UKG and LKG and pre-KG parents, Mat Chiranjeevaya sir, Tyagraj sir, then UKG parent, Yasmin ma'am, Srimati Manjula ma'am, our pre-nursery students, young and energetic fathers participated enthusiastically and won the prizes. In Catch the Ball, first prize goes to UKG class Sharvi's parent Sharad Kumar Shetty sir. Second prize goes to Umesh parents Nayas Pasha sir. Third prize goes to LKG class Pradhyun and Pradhanvi parent Pradeep sir. And also he got the third prize in Save the Balloon. Pradeep sir. Third prize goes to Pradhyun and Pradhanvi parent Pradeep sir. Also got third prize in Save the Balloon. Next in Save the Balloon, first prize goes to Guru Prasad parent Mat Chiranjeevaya sir. Second prize goes to pre-KG class Sirisha's parent Tyagraj sir. Second prize goes to pre-KG class Sirisha's parent Tyagraj sir. Next, cooking with kids is not just about ingredients, recipes and cooking. It's about harnessing imagination and creativity. Our UKG students' mothers prepared the most innovative and mouth-watering dishes without fire. So here the winners are, first prize goes to UKG grade Ume Asfa's parent Srimati Yasmin ma'am. Next, Deksha parent UKG grade Ume Asfa's parent Srimati Yasmin ma'am. Next, Deksha parent Srimati Manjula ma'am. Next prize goes to Tejashwi parent Srimati Sandhya ma'am. Tejashwi's parent, Srimati Sandhya ma'am. Next, Rutvig's parent, Srimati Rashmi ma'am. Rutvig's parent, Srimati Rashmi ma'am. Next, Gunavanta's parent, Srimati Suma ma'am. Next, Gunavanta's parent, Srimati Suma ma'am. Next, every year we celebrate Krishna Janmashtami. Our pre-KG and LKG students dressed up like little Krishna and little Radha, and their mothers dressed up like Yashoda. Together they performed at this occasion. won the prizes. First prize goes to Dhanvin parent Srimati Divya ma'am. Dhanvin parent Srimati Divya. Next prize goes to Nakshatra parent Srimati Asha. Next, Adhya's parent Srimati Gayatri ma'am. Next, Adhya parent Srimati Gayatri. Next, Maulya parent Srimati Bhavya ma'am. Next, Pradhanvi and Pradyan parent Srimati Mamata ma'am. Next, Jashmita D parent Srimati Shubha. Jashmita D parent Srimati Shubha. Next, Satya Sai Shri parent Srimati Sirisha. Next, Gahan parent Srimati Lavanya. Next, Rishika parent Srimati Shilpa. Next, Rishika parent Srimati Shilpa. Thank you, ma'am. It's my immense pleasure to propose vote of thanks on this wonderful occasion on behalf of Anupama English School. The first and foremost, a very special thanks to our Secretary Sri Yogesh Nagaraj Achar sir, Universal Education Society, and Joint Secretary Gayatri Education Society and CEO of Anupama Group of Institution. So thank you, sir. I would like to thank wholeheartedly Srimati Shweta Yogesh ma'am, Vice Chairman of Anupama Group of Institution. Ma'am, you are always supporting and guiding us. Thank you, ma'am, for gracing this occasion. I would like to thank Srimati Jayashree ma'am, Academic Director of New Cambridge International Public School. Thank you, ma'am. I thank Srimati Gargi Chaudhary ma'am, Principal of New Cambridge International Public School. Thank you very much, ma'am. I request Shweta ma'am to give the prize to the parents. I'm very happy to extend my sincere thanks to Srimati Veena ma'am, Headmistress of Anupama English School, for leading and inspiring us in working towards the goal of conducting this event. Next, I'm gratified to all the parents who spent time with us. Your participation and suggestion always help us. Thank you, parents. Our students are not only good at academics but also in extracurricular activities. We value and every moment that you stay with us in the temple of learning. Thank you, students. Once again, I thank you all.